before we begin, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly achieve their financial goals? Well, today, we are going to reveal Andrei Jikh's secret to financial success. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired. One introduction to Andrei Jikh. Before we dive into the secrets, let's get to know Andrei Jikh, the man behind the financial success. Andrei is a self-made millionaire who started from humble beginnings. He's a passionate investor, entrepreneur, and educator who has helped thousands of people achieve their financial goals. Now, the power of mindset. One of the key principles Andrei emphasizes is the power of mindset. He believes that having the right mindset is crucial for achieving financial success. It's not just about the numbers, it's about your attitude towards money. Andrei Jikh. Your mindset determines your actions and ultimately, your financial outcomes. It's important to cultivate a positive mindset and believe that you can achieve financial freedom. 3. The power of knowledge. Andrei Jikh embarked on a journey of self-education, devouring books, attending seminars, and seeking guidance from financial experts. He understood that knowledge is power, and armed with this newfound knowledge, he began to take calculated risks and make informed decisions that would propel him towards financial success. 4. The importance of mindset. But it wasn't just knowledge that fueled Andrei's success. He also recognized the importance of having the right mindset. Andrei understood that in order to attract wealth and abundance into his life, he needed to cultivate a positive and abundance-focused mindset. Through practices such as meditation, visualization, and affirmations, Andrei was able to reprogram his subconscious mind for success. 5. The magic of budgeting. Another secret to financial success that Andrei shared is the magic of budgeting. He emphasized the importance of tracking your expenses, creating a budget, and living within your means. By being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious choices, you can ensure that your money is being used wisely and in alignment with your financial goals. Now that we've uncovered some of Andrei Jikh's secrets to financial success, it's time to take action and implement these insights into our own lives. Remember, knowledge without action is merely potential. So, let's start taking steps towards financial freedom and create the life of our dreams. Moving on to the next step on our journey, we delve into the art of investing with Andrei Jikh, the art of investing. Andrei's expertise in finance truly shines as he shares his insights on the art of investing. He believes that investing is not just about blindly putting your money into the stock market, but rather a strategic approach to grow your wealth over time. Andrei emphasizes the importance of understanding the market, conducting thorough research, and diversifying your investment portfolio. Andrei explains that successful investing requires a combination of patience, knowledge, and discipline. He advises individuals to set clear investment goals, determine their risk tolerance, and create a well-balanced portfolio that aligns with their financial objectives. Furthermore, Andrei emphasizes the significance of staying informed and keeping up with financial news and trends. By staying updated on market conditions and economic indicators, investors can make informed decisions and adapt their strategies accordingly. Andrei shares his personal journey of transforming his mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. He tells us how he used to believe that he would always be stuck in a cycle of paycheck to paycheck, never being able to save or invest. But through self-reflection and a commitment to personal growth, he was able to shift his mindset and open himself up to new possibilities. He teaches us that our thoughts and beliefs have a powerful impact on our financial reality. By cultivating a positive and abundant mindset, we can attract opportunities for wealth and success. Andrei encourages us to practice gratitude and visualization techniques to manifest our desired financial outcomes. Furthermore, Andrei highlights the importance of surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals who share our goals and aspirations. He explains that our environment and the people we surround ourselves with have a profound influence on our mindset and ultimately our financial success. By seeking out mentors, joining supportive communities, and engaging in networking opportunities, we can accelerate our journey towards financial freedom. 7. Overcoming challenges. Financial success doesn't come without its fair share of challenges. Andrei acknowledges that setbacks and obstacles are inevitable on the path to achieving our goals. However, he emphasizes the importance of resilience and perseverance. By staying focused, adapting to change, and learning from our mistakes, we can overcome any challenge that comes our way, building a support system. Andrei highlights the significance of surrounding ourselves with a strong support system, whether it's family, friends, or mentors. Having people who believe in our abilities and provide guidance can make a world of difference. By leaning on our support system during tough times and celebrating our successes together, we can stay motivated and continue moving forward. 9. Defining success. Success means different things to different people, and Andrei encourages us to define our own version of financial success. It's not about comparing ourselves to others or conforming to societal norms. Instead, it's about setting realistic and meaningful goals that align with our values and aspirations. By staying true to ourselves and focusing on what truly matters, we can create a fulfilling and prosperous financial journey. 10. Taking responsibility. Finally, Andrei reminds us that financial success ultimately comes down to taking responsibility for our own actions. We can't rely on luck or external circumstances to determine our financial future. Instead, we must take ownership of our decisions, be accountable for our choices, and take the necessary steps to achieve our goals. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. Take the first step towards achieving your financial goals, and let us know in the comments below how you're working towards them. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Together, let's strive for financial success and build a better future.